Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Back with the next video, back in the kitchen again, showing you how I make this wonderful soft all dough bread. Simple recipe, guys. If you want to see how I make this bread, come along, let me show you how to make a simple, soft and nice all dough bread. Enjoy. Yes guys, here I have my all-purpose flour, and all my ingredients will be in the description box. So guys, I'm gonna pour in my yeast, I'm gonna pour salt, then I'm gonna put in my sugar, then I'm gonna mix all of these ingredients together. This is all of my dry ingredients together. Okay guys, and this recipe is a simple and easy recipe, bread recipe. So what I'm gonna do now is to add in my milk, my spoon, and just combine all of these ingredients together. So guys, I'm gonna add in my butter, my melted butter. I'm just gonna combine all of these ingredients together with my spoon. Combine all of the ingredients together, okay? So what I'm gonna do next is to just add a little more flour to my dough, and you don't want it to be that firm, you just want a soft and nice fluffy dough. Okay, just gonna add a little bit more flour, firmer, just a little bit firmer. Guys, this is how my dough looks so far, and this is the look that you're supposed to get when you're making your bread. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to just put this to just rest for just 10 minutes, and then I'll show you how it look after 10 minutes. Okay guys, as you can see, it have a different texture. Yes guys, so what I'm going to do now is to let this sit again for just 1 straight hour, and then I'll show you how it look and then continue. Yes guys, I'm gonna lift off my cover. Oh, it did not rise much, but I'm just gonna go in with my hands. So guys, this is my surface. I'm just gonna pour some flour on my surface. I'm gonna take out my flour, which is my dough, and just pour it on my surface. I'm just gonna go in with my hand. Okay, not gonna. Yes guys, what I'm gonna do now is to butter my bread pan. Just gonna butter them. So here I have some flour. Just gonna put in my bread pans. Okay. So what I'm gonna do now is to cut my dough into 2. Okay. I just wanna roll it like how you make bread, like bread shapes. Okay. So what I'm gonna do now is to just rest it in my baking container. I'm just gonna leave this for 10 minutes for it to rise a little more. Okay. This is how I make my bread shape. So what I'm going to do now is to just rest it in my next baking container, okay? I'm just going to leave this to rise for just 10 more minutes. Then I put it in the oven for just, okay? Just going to make it stay right here. I just want to make it full up in this, the corner. Yes guys, this is how it look after 10 minutes. Them rise a little. So what I'm gonna do now is put them in the oven. My oven is preheat already, so I'm gonna put them in there for just half an hour, which is 30 minutes. Okay guys, this is how my bread look after 30 minutes in the oven. I'm gonna test it now and you see, oh yes, and make it see how it look inside. Okay. Yes guys, I'm gonna stick my little knife here. And remember, if anything come out on it, it don't bake. And look at this. You don't want nothing more than this. So this one is baked, so let's try this one also, okay? Look at this. Come out clean. So what I'm gonna do next is just to make this cool for about 15 minutes and then I cut it and show you how inside look, okay? Yes guys, so what I'm gonna do is to shake out my bread. Ooh, look at this. I'm gonna shake out both of them, okay? I still feel a little bit warmish. So it's burning me. Look at this. You see this? Yeah. So what I'm gonna do now, I know you can have this with your butter. You can have it with cheese. You can have it with your egg sandwich. Because remember, it's a sandwich bread. I'm just gonna cut it and let us see how inside look. Okay. And it's still hot, you know? Still hot. Ooh. Should I make it cool? I make it cool a little more. And I can have it with a little butter. Look how moist this look. This is so moist, right? Yes, guys. So yes, guys. Look at this. The man, it really come out lovely. And remember, I put some whole wheat flour in there, so that's why it have this look. I'm loving it, and it's soft, and it is not. It's really nice, guys. So hope you enjoy this video, guys. Big up on yourself, and thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe if you don't subscribe as yet. Comment and share, and tell me all about my bread recipe. Simple and easy bread recipe. Big up on yourself, guys. Bye.